Hey, what's up? This is AJ, and today I'm going to give you 3 basic social skills that everybody should master. If you want to be that person that can relate to other people, that person that can really just connect with someone else, then you have to master these 3 basic social skills. If you want to be able to step out of your shell and just really be the type of person that attracts other people to you, then these are the 3 basic ones that you need to know. Obviously, there are more, but these are just the 3 that I could find at the moment that are basic, things that can get you started. Number 1, listen more. A lot of us in our conversations, we may be anxious or whatever, but we give off the idea or we give off the perception that we aren't really listening. And this may be because you're not keeping eye contact. This may be because you're on your phone or whatever it is. But when you are not listening to somebody, they feel like you aren't really relating to them. They feel like you're not connecting with them, and this makes them closed off. So what I want you to do is next time you're talking to someone, give eye contact. Give them words like, oh, yeah, really? Oh, that's cool. Answer, yeah, cool. Ask them questions about what they're talking about. Make them feel like they're being heard. Number 2, start giving in your conversations more than you're taking. A lot of us, we enter conversations and we immediately look for compliments. We want their validation. We're searching for these things. Meanwhile, that's not necessarily what we should be doing. Rather, why don't you give the compliment? Why don't you tell the joke or tell the story? Why don't you open up and give? Give them positive emotions. Tell them how great their hair is looking today. Tell them that they lost weight. Tell them whatever it is to bring up the emotion of both the conversation, the energy around you guys, and their personal emotions. In order to give emotions, you have to learn how to be able to let go of that fear that they're judging you. You have to be able to blow through that. Because if you have that fear that they're judging you, you become closed off. Now this person becomes like someone you have to compete against, someone you have to get to, they have to like you. If they don't like you, then you're screwed. But that's not how it goes. The more you give, the more you get. But don't give because you want to get. Okay, if you can keep up with me, then you probably understand. Give because you want to give this person a good experience. So before we get into the third and final social skill I have for you, I want to give a quick shout out to my book, Project Self-Mastery. I've just released it, and it is one of the most influential books when it comes to self-help. And it's completely free because I don't want money. I want to help you. Okay, it's about 102 pages, and it condenses literally everything that I've learned from articles, everything that I've learned from research papers, books I've read, people I've met. I've tried to condense it in this way that you can grow and you can become the best version of yourself. All right, this gives you a plan, a proven strategy, a step-by-step proven strategy with every single topic you want covered in order to become that person you've always wanted to become, my friend. So if you are as excited as I am saying it, then go down to the link in the description below. It is there for free. Second quick announcement, if you want to get in hold of me, if you want to talk to me on my website, then just go down to the link in the description below. You'll be able to send an email to me personally and I will see it. You can send your life story. No matter what it is, I'll read it. And if you have sent it and you didn't get a call back or whatever it is, just know that I will get to you, okay? There's just been a lot of people sending a lot of messages, a lot of love on Instagram, on Facebook, on Twitter, on my website, and on YouTube. I need to condense it and I need to get a step-by-step plan, to get to you. But I promise you, I see all of them. I read all of them. It's a part of my morning schedule. Literally, I wake up in the morning, I check my BUB Cool members because I love you guys. So if you're interested, then go ahead and do it. I can't wait. And the last thing, before I get to the most important social skill that you have to master, make sure that you go and click like and subscribe. And if you want this video or my face to go in front of more people, then click that like button. And if you want to get a notification whenever I release a video, click the bell icon and you will see a pop-up or a notification on your phone whenever I release a video. The third and final social skill that you should master, and this is very basic, you have to learn how to become vulnerable. In that social situation, you have to do things that you would probably not do otherwise. All right, you have to put yourself in a situation where you have to be open, right? So this could be saying that joke that you don't think a lot of people might find funny, but saying it because you find it funny. or telling that story that really impacted you, even though you think it might bore someone else. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter as long as it impacted you. Because you find it funny, saying it to other people, I promise you 9 times out of 10, they will find it funny. 90% of the time, people will find what's interesting in what you find is interesting. If you get what I mean, and this mostly happens because of the idea of passion. If I have a boring topic that I want to speak about, like I think in one of my videos I spoke about how you can speak about protein shakes. I think you can speak about protein shakes, which are boring to many people. Protein shakes aren't really that interesting, depending on who you are or who you ask. But if you're somebody that's passionate about health and fitness and protein shakes, then you can speak to someone about it, and the passion behind your voice, the fact that you're vulnerable, the fact you don't care about what they think, will make you come across as more interesting, and that person will be more interested in you. So my friend, you have to A, listen more, 2, give instead of taking, and 3, you have to be vulnerable in these social situations. Thank you for watching this video, my friend. If you found just a little bit of value in it, go down, click subscribe, click like, and if you want to talk to me directly, you know what to do. Go on my website, and if you want the book, Project Self-Mastery, click the link in the description below to get it a PDF for completely free. All right, I don't care about money. For completely free, for you. I love you. God bless you.